Okay, so next question tayo, sabi ni James John. Sir Fitz, is it true po na ang equity funds rarely beat or not beat at all index funds? What do you think of the historical performance of Phil Equity Fund? Is it still one of the best mutual funds? So, isa din tong matagal na debate among financial analysts. And ideally, yung mga equity funds, it should beat the index kasi yun talaga yung objective ng mga fund managers ng equity funds. However, based dun sa mga historical performances, parang pareho lang. Ibig sabihin, may mga economies na mas mataas yung kinita ng index funds or yung mga funds na nagpa-follow ng index. And may mga equity funds naman na na-beat nila yung index. So para sa akin, between equity funds and index funds, kung medyo conservative ka, siguro you can go for an index fund. But depende rin kasi dun sa requirement mo kung gaano ba kalaki yung compounded annual growth rate na kailangan mo for your investments to be able to achieve your goal, to reach your financial goal, then probably mas maganda na ilagay siya sa equity funds kasi mas gusto mo pa rin talagang mag-grow yung money mo more than the index. And yung Phil Equity Fund, I'm not sure if you can say that they're the best mutual fund in the country kasi for the past 6 years ba? Oo, mga 6 or 7 years, talagang sideways yung market. And yun yung napapansin ko, kapag sideways ang market, yung index funds talaga ang maganda ang performance. Pero pag nagkakaroon tayo ng bullish market, pagpataas ang price ng PSEI, for example, yung mga equity funds, sobrang laki nung difference niya ng gains niya versus sa mga index fund. So if you have enough funds or enough money to invest, it would probably be a good idea to divide your money between an equity fund and an index fund. Ako, this is just my preference, meron akong bias towards FM ETF kasi it just follows the index but at the same time, madali siyang bilhin kasi nasa stock market siya. So if you are going to invest in both an equity fund and an index fund, it's probably a good idea to invest in an equity growth fund tapos bili ka ng FM ETF shares. So para sa akin lang yun, that's my opinion. At the end of the day, kailangan pa rin pag-aralan yung inyong financial status, yung financial resources, and your financial goals para makita kung ano ba yung tamang hati and kung saan ba tayo mag-i-invest. Yung Phil Equity Fund, napaka-popular niyan kasi I believe before 2016, well, early 2010s, lagi siyang top performer. That's why it has become a choice mutual fund for those who are looking for an equity fund. Ang napapansin ko lang, not specifically sa Phil Equity Fund, but any mutual fund, kapag maraming nag-i-invest sa kanya, nahihirapan na yung fund manager na i-navigate yung fund. Kasi ang laki na masyado nung money. So pag bibili siya ng isang stock, for example, mahirap ibuhos lahat. So bini-breakdown niya yon into several batches para makabili kasi nga ang laki na nung fund. So hindi na siya masyadong agile. And that's also one of the reasons na pag malaki na masyado ang isang equity fund, hindi na rin siya ganun ka lakas kumita, no, pagdating sa returns kapag bull market. Pero pag baguhan yung fund, medyo maliit pa yung asset value niya, medyo agile pa siya and kaya niyang mag-navigate dun sa ups and downs ng market. So, ang tendency ng mga bagong equity fund, mataas ang returns kasi lalo na kung magaling yung fund manager. So, mayroon talaga siyang pros and cons and there's really no one rule. Kasi kung talagang maganda ang index fund, yung mga equity mutual fund, and especially yung mga financial institutions na nag-i-invest sa mutual fund like banks, nasa index fund na lang. But it's really a mixed performance. May mga years, may mga periods and seasons na mas malaki ang kinikita ng index fund. May mga seasons na mas malaki ang kinikita ng equity fund. Ang nangyari lang for the past 6 or 7 years, top performer yung mga index funds because sideways or downwards din yung market natin. But expect kapag nagkaroon tayo ng bull run, nako, sobrang laki ng itataas ng mga equity funds versus sa mga index funds. Okay, so yun yung sagot ko sa iyo, James John.